Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a tax number online application. First, identify which specific tax identification number you need, such as an EIN for businesses or an ITIN for individuals. Next, ensure you have all required documents and information ready, including legal names, addresses, and business structure details. Finally, navigate to the correct government website to begin the application process, ensuring you are on an official and secure portal. Before you start filling out the online form, double-check that you meet all the eligibility requirements for your chosen tax identification number. Take a moment to review a sample application if possible, to familiarize yourself with the questions and avoid mistakes. Also, have any necessary supporting documents, like articles of incorporation or identification, scanned and ready for upload. This preparation saves time and prevents delays. When filling out the online form, proceed carefully through each section, providing accurate and complete information. It's crucial to review every field before clicking Submit, as even small errors can cause significant processing delays. Once submitted, make sure to save any confirmation numbers or reference codes you receive. These are essential for tracking your application status and for future inquiries. After submitting, you can typically expect to receive your new tax identification number within a few weeks, though processing times can vary. Use the confirmation number you saved to check the status of your application on the official website. If you have questions or encounter issues, official government resources are available for assistance. For more great deals and to find the link for the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.